Hi everyone, I'm KD77 and today's video is sponsored by Fifine Technology, who've kindly provided me with this K669 USB studio condenser microphone in rose red. I don't know why my little finger's sticking out there, but hey, whatever. Now I will be recording this whole video on the Fifine microphone just so you get an idea of what it's like for creating YouTube video, podcasting, etc. To start with the box itself, it's a very premium feeling box. I was pleasantly surprised when I received it. So let's have a look inside first of all and see what we got. So inside the box you get the usual paperwork, including an instruction booklet which comes upside down. And then underneath the cardboard cover with the tied up wires, you've got this three-legged stand, which appears to be of plastic and metal construction. Then it's onto the microphone, which was surprisingly heavy when I first took it out of the box. And the rose red finish has a matte feel to it, which is actually quite pleasing to touch. The mic's actually a little bit smaller than I imagined it would be, but I kind of got that impression when I first got the box, because that was also smaller. The build quality on it seems to be of a high standard actually. I was very pleased to see the addition of a voice volume adjuster on the front, although the knob is a little bit wiggly, but still feels solid. This has a fixed cable coming out the bottom of it, so you're not going to be able to unplug it, and the adapter for the arm or the legs is actually of a orange anodized construction, which looks quite good quality. The connecting arm for the stand's a plastic construction with an adjusting knob here to tighten it up. You do have to turn that quite a bit in order to get it solid, and then to adjust at the bottom of the microphone here, just turn where the cable goes in and it will easily hold its own weight. After about 5 million turns, that's an exaggeration, the legs securely fasten to the microphone. So then all you have to do is spread them, plug it in, and let's see what we got. Right, sound test time. We're not going up against equivalent USB microphones. I'm chucking this bad boy in a fight with the Rode NT USB mic, which is on an arm so you can't quite see it, so I'll show you a little B-roll now. There it is. This is classed as one of the top end USB microphones, and I want to see how this bad boy stacks up, so let's get into it. Fifine K669 at approximately 12 inches 30 centimeters away. Rode NT USB at approximately 30 centimeters 12 inches away. Fifine K669 at approximately 24 inches 60 centimeters away. Rode NT USB at approximately 24 inches 60 centimeters away. Fifine K669 at further away than you would ever imagine using it. Rode NT USB at further away than you would ever imagine using it. Now we're going to do a bit of a background noise test. I'm going to have both microphones situated in the same place with just the sound of my PC fans and also a TV on in the next room. So as you could probably tell, as far as recording your voice from various distances, it's not too bad at all compared to a microphone which is 4 times the price, and that was with the volume knob on the front of the microphone set at 1/4. So if you turn it up a little bit, you might find that if I put it right to the top actually, sorry if you're wearing headphones, it does get a little bit blown out, but you wouldn't have it on full anyway, and considering it was only on 1/4 compared to the Rode, that's actually pretty impressive, if you ask me. One piece of advice I will give with this mic is if you want the microphone itself to point straight up, this pivot point here, make sure it's not between the two legs, because otherwise it tips over quite easily. It's quite a heavy microphone, so if you popped it down on the desk it'd probably fall over. So all you need to do is just make sure it's turned around and it's over one of the legs, and that way it's supporting it so it's not going to tip over, and then it actually is quite sturdy. Now I've got to say that out of everything that stands out for me with this microphone, the volume adjuster for your voice on the front is a great addition. It's something I do miss on every other mic I've ever used. I was using it whilst gaming on Discord. My friends couldn't even tell the difference. It's a brilliant microphone for the money, well worth every penny. It also comes in black if the rose red's not your thing. Like I say, it is quite pink. But all in all, go and buy it. If you want a nice budget microphone that's decent for gaming, chatting with your friends, recording YouTube videos, podcasting, maybe not singing, but if you're a singer, you probably want something a bit more expensive anyway. Get out there and buy it. Link below to Amazon, you can get both colours there. Hope you enjoyed the review. See you in the next video.